Well, hello, this is Eric and you're watching GMODISM. Do you have an error message like this? Something about Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages for Visual Studio needs to be installed or something like that? Or do you in any way know that you need to install the Visual C++? Well, if this is the case, I'll show you how. GMODISM, Total Nerdery Channel. This little web page is in the description of this video, and it says here, of course, 2024. This article is updated, and here you'll always find the latest version of the package, even if you're watching this video 10 years later, right? So then you'll scroll down here and you'll see latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable version. Here you go, you've got different downloads here, and you might wonder which one of them do you need. Well, if you go into Settings and you'll go down here to System, scroll down to the bottom and click on the About page. Right here you can see the system type, which says 64-bit operating system, x64. And dependent on what result you got there, you'll need to download the right package. So we're going to install this thing. And when it's downloaded, go to the download location or just open it from downloads like this. And here we have Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Agree to the terms and click install. And there you have it. Now you're basically done. If your computer requires a restart, it will tell you. Otherwise, it should now be installed. If it doesn't work, try to restart your computer, and it's most likely going to work. The 2015 to 2022 version is different from the version down here, which is Visual Studio 2013. Sometimes you need this also, and if you have a software that asks for this one, you'll need to install this one separately, just the same way we installed the other. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you did, do leave us a like and stay tuned to the channel by subscribing. It's free. Like the video and share it to your friends and we'll be very happy. If you want to support the channel, please join it here on YouTube or check gmodism.com/support for other options. This is your host Eric, signing out of GMODISM.